Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another brew review. And today it's another in the line of the Bird and Blends Sweet Shop Favourites. This video is not sponsored by Bird and Blend, but if Bird and Blend you want to hook me up, please get in touch. As always, do feel free to like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell a random stranger in the street. And today, of the Sweet Shop Favourites, we're going to do refreshers. The information on the back for those that like it. Refreshers. Refresh your taste buds with a tea that will definitely be worth your pocket money. Do you get pocket money? Oh, how much? I give myself whatever I give myself. But hey, brewing time 4 minutes. It's almost done. Ingredients are apple pieces, rose hips, lemongrass, orange peel, calendula petals, natural flavourings. And without further ado, let's be tasting this brew. I say it's been brewing the required amount of time they recommend. Do you remember the refresher sweets? Do you still get them? I don't know, I used to like the little fizz they give you as when we were a lot younger. It's got the taste of maybe like the orange refresher, if I remember right. It hasn't got like that tanginess that you get with the sweets, but I suppose that would be quite hard to replicate. I don't know, but tastes nice. And as you know, my scoring is out of 5. I'm going to give Sweet Shop Favourites from Bird and Blend, Refreshers Edition, a 3.6 out of 5. 3.6 for Refreshers from Bird and Blend. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Ooh, I do like a brew. Bye.